Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good and everything's alright with you. Yeah, I come today with a very important lesson. So most of the people, they think that if you want like a hack or get in to a system, is a very easy, and using script kiddies and using like just copy paste and copy. So that's not working. You are not going to get nothing from that, and I'm just gonna show you a very small. Yeah, so okay, so let's move this one down. So okay, so here I have this is like I'm spoofing my own laptop, this one information. Okay, so I have yeah, so okay, so here I have already set up uh, spoofing, like poisoning the internet connection. So here I'm sending a wire shark, as you see here. So all the 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 website that actually I can visit or anything I do, so it's appear here on the wire shark. As you see, all the data passed through the wire shark, so I can analyze all my. So I have the first one. So I have the EtherCap. So it's a very developed tool that's in Kali Linux that can set targets and set between the targets, so you can be the man in the middle. Yeah, so this is the first one. This is the second one. So yeah, a second one I already set it up. The second one, first one. So we have two here, two attacks in the same time. So this is how I confuse the router, make the router to be confused and to accept me into the server, so I can do my own spoofing with Wireshark. Okay, so here I'm using the EtherCap to be the man in the middle between the two connection, and here you have the Wireshark, and here so here I'm gonna run the last of everything, so it's called DriftNet. Okay, so let me run that's okay. So yeah, not this one. Yeah, so this is the EtherCap page, and now I'm gonna run the DriftNets. Not this one, not this one, this one. Yeah, it's people, they think it's easy, but it's not. You have to be like very patient. So okay, so here I'm running this command. I hope you can see very clear. So DriftNet and space, and this is -a means the interface, and WLAN 0. So it depends. Sometimes it's ETH 0, or sometimes it's WLAN 0. It depends of the card to Wi-Fi that you have, the NIC card that you have. Sometimes it works with WLAN. That means it looks work like a router card. Sometimes it looks with ETH straight away. So I'm gonna dump here. So in here, in this screen that's up here, I'm gonna show you. So this one, the screen is called the DriftNet screen. So any pictures that I will visit it on my website, I will have it here. So this is how the hacking happening. Yes, so this is how people can hack you so deep and can know every information about you, about where you're visiting, what is your password. Everything can be appearing in this dark black screen. So yeah, I can't show more. So yeah, that is. Thank you.